Halo guys, welcome back to our channel vlog UI Family Cumata. In Indonesian it's called Cuci Mata Suka-Suka, Fine Sightseeing. Okay, in this trip we would like to share our previous trip in Kalbarri. We have 3 places in this video. The first one will be the Kalbarri Skywalk, and then just close by, nearby to this area, we also will share the nature's window, and the third one will be Blue Holes Beach. Okay, so we drove from Perth around 7 hours, to be precise 6.5 hours. At that time we were staying in a hotel nearby the beach in Kalbarri, and then the next day we went to this skywalk. Just for your information, it will be great, or it will be the best time to visit this place during sunrise or before sunrise, because you will see a very good view for the sunrise. Also, the location is still quiet. Thus, if you want to play some kind of drones, yeah, it's still doable and then still okay, because if you don't have a lot of people, then you will not disturb them, you know. So we took a few footage in this skywalk. So this bridge actually reminds me of Tony Stark. So we have 2 bridges, and then if you saw it on the first video footage from the top, you can see that in front of this sky bridge we have kind of hills, and also there are rivers over there. So if you walk to this area around 10 minutes with a car or less than that, you can search another good places that we call nature's window. It's not really tough, but yeah, it's challenging. It's good for your health, and then in the end you can have a look on the area around the Kalbarri Skywalk.
Halo sayang, kedengar ya? Mas kembang, lihat. Udah sini bagus. Stop dulu. Baca lagi sedikit. Stop.
Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi bersama kami vlog UI Family Cumata. Vlognya keluarga UI Family Cuci Mata Suka-Suka. Oke, untuk edisi kali ini kita mau share 2 tempat di Kalbarri. Yang pertama adalah Kalbarri Skywalk. Untuk perjalanan kita dari Perth sekitar 6,5 jam. Tapi karena kita waktu itu nginep di Kalbarri, jadi kita sempatkan ke Pink Lake, kemudian kita nginep, lah next day-nya baru kita main ke Kalbarri Skywalk. Buat teman-teman yang mau datang ke sana, akan lebih baik kalau teman-teman bisa datang pas sunrise atau ketika matahari mau terbit, karena di situ kita bisa dapat banget view-nya. dan kondisi juga masih sepi. Jadi kalau teman-teman mau main drones ya masih bisa aman gitu. Untuk perjalanan dari Kalbarrinya mungkin sekitar 30 menit sampai 40 menit kalau dari hotel kita yang kemarin. Jadi kalau teman-teman ingat filmnya Marvel Iron Man, nah mirip-mirip lah kayak punyanya Tony Stark ya. Jadi di sini ada kayak semacam skywalknya seperti jembatan gantung seperti itu. Oke teman-teman, enjoy. Selamat menikmati footage dari trip kita di Kalbarri. Untuk nextnya nanti ada footage juga dari Nature's Window. Dan yang terakhir nanti ada trip kita juga di Kalbarri waktu kita main-main ke Blue Holes Beach. Oke guys, thanks for watching. Bye.